Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmummy.com, and today I want to show you some DIY decor ideas for fall using items I found at the Dollar Tree. So I popped into my local Dollar Tree a little while ago and I found some really cute items for fall decor. I don't usually shop at dollar stores, but I was really pleasantly surprised with all of these items that I found. Lots of great craft items and some fun decor items. Everything was $1.25. I live in Canada. If you live in the States, everything here would be $1. So let me show you some of the things I made with this stuff. First of all, I made a fall-inspired table setting. So I took a faux leaf that I already had. I wrote names on it with a chalk paint pen, and then I clipped some of these cute pumpkins that I found at the Dollar Tree to the leaves to make some name tags. Then I'm just putting out a simple table setting for fall, a plaid placemat, some simple plates, and I found these really cute metal letters from the Dollar Tree, and I thought they would be really cute on top of a place setting like this for a fall or a Thanksgiving inspired table setting. Next, I want to show you how to make this really cute vintage inspired wreath for fall. I found this wreath form at the Dollar Tree. I found this vintage lace trim at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gluing this trim to the wreath form and wrapping the lace around the wreath form like this. So I'm not gluing every single loop of this lace onto the wreath form. I'm just gluing maybe about every 5th wrap or so. And then as I run out of lace, I'm just attaching another roll. So I used about 2.5 rolls to cover this entire wreath form for my wreath. Next, I found this really cute burlap ribbon at the Dollar Tree with lace. I think it's so cute, farmhouse vintage inspired. I'm making a really simple bow with it, so I'm just looping some of it around, glue gunning it together, and then I'm taking another length of ribbon to create the tail for my bow. And just kind of pinching it in half like this, taking some scrap lace trim, tying that around the center of my top of my bow. And then I'm cutting another little piece of ribbon to go around the center of my bow and cover that piece of trim up. And I'm just using my glue gun to secure everything in place. So after I wrap the center of the bow around just like this, I'm just going to glue all of these layers together to create a really nice looking bow for my wreath. So here I'm just gluing the tail on to the top of my bow, and then I'm going to put a whole bunch of glue gun glue onto the entire thing, and I'm gluing that to the bottom of my little fall wreath. Now I'm taking these really nice fall picks I found at the Dollar Tree. I liked these because they were just really natural in color, and I'm dividing one in half and I'm just cutting off the branches. I'm basically keeping everything in the arrangement that it was right off the pick, and I'm putting a bunch of glue gun glue onto the bottom of the picks, and I'm inserting it behind the bow on my wreath. And I'm just gluing one half of this pick on one side of the bow and the other half on the other side to create this really rustic inspired look. And you might have to glue the tops of the pine cones to your wreath if they're kind of floppy. I did have to do that with one of mine. And then I'm finishing this off with another one of these really cute metal signs. This one says thankful. I'm just gluing it on each side and then just tacking it down to the middle of my wreath like this. I also found this wreath hanger, this really nice rustic brown wreath hanger, and I'm using that to hang up my fall wreath. I really love how vintage inspired and simple this one is, and it's really neutral, so it's going to match with any decor. Next, I want to show you how I made this really simple banner. I found these burlap oak leaves at the Dollar Tree, and all I'm doing is I'm just inserting them into some lace trim I found at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just counting how many holes away they are from each other and making the leaves hang even. And then I'm just pushing that wire end through the lace and just kind of pinching it on the other side. And that's about it. Just a really simple banner, and it's really cute. Again, this is a really nice neutral craft, so this would really match any decor. It would look super cute on a mantle. Here I just have it on my studio shelf, and I love how it adds just some simple and neutral fall decor to my space. The next DIY I want to show you is a really pretty sort of hurricane glass decoration. So I found this vase from the Dollar Tree. I found this candle in a jar that fits inside the vase. And then I already had these fairy lights on hand. I did find them from Amazon, but you can find similar ones at the Dollar Tree. I'll leave a link to these in the description box below. And then I'm just wrapping them around the candle inside of the vase. And then as you can see, I have battery box at the bottom still, so I'm just creating a faux bottom for this vase by just cutting up some of that Dollar Tree ribbon and then just using a glue gun glue to attach the ribbon together and just covering the base of this vase so that you don't see the battery pack. And this is a very, very simple DIY and I love the effect. I love twinkly lights in the fall, and this is really pretty on the side of a bed on a nightstand. The final Dollar Tree DIY I want to show you is how to make a summer faux floral arrangement look more like a fall arrangement by just adding some simple Dollar Tree items. So here's more of those natural picks I found at the Dollar Tree. I'm just inserting them into my summer floral arrangement to give them more of a rustic fall feel. Again, I just like how neutral and rustic these pine cones look. And I decided to put one in the center to add some height to the arrangement, and then two more on either side of that. So you can see right away it takes this pink floral arrangement into fall by adding those fall elements like the pine cones and the wheat and the little cotton stems. Then I'm using these clip-on little pumpkins again that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just clipping them onto some of the stems in my arrangement. So they add some texture and they add some autumn flair to this arrangement. So this is just a really simple way to take what you have and just use inexpensive Dollar Tree items to spruce it up and make it look ready for the next season. I really like how full and autumn-like this arrangement turned out, and I think it's going to look really, really nice in my guest bedroom to tie in the pinks that are already there, but to bring it more into fall with the rustic additions. Thanks so much for watching my video today. Please let me know in the comments below which of these fall Dollar Tree DIYs was your favorite. I'd love to hear. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas. See you all in the next video. Bye!